Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy remedy that will help to fade stretch mark. So continue watching if you want to find out how I make this cream. To make this homemade stretch mark cream, I'll be making use of coconut oil. Coconut oil is so good for this cream because coconut oil will penetrate better to your skin and your skin will enjoy all the benefits of coconut oil. I'll also make use of almond oil. I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of almond oil. Almond oil contains vitamin A. It will help to reduce the appearance of scars, treat dry skin, and also improve your skin tone. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera will help to absorb easily into the skin and it will help to treat dry skin, moisturize the skin, boost healing. I will add the aloe vera gel into the bowl. I'll be making use of vitamin E oil. This oil will help to moisturize, nourish your skin, and also help to maintain your skin health. So when I'm done adding everything, I will mix to combine. I'm going to mix until it is well combined. You can store this cream in a container. You can apply this on your skin. It will help to lighten, repair, treat and fade stretch mark scars. You need to use this regular to see effective results. You can also use this to prevent stretch mark because it is going to hydrate and nourish your skin. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.